We have a lot of updates in the abstract ecosystem. For example, we had the mystery drop from Pudgy Penguins over the weekend. We're gonna talk about that. If you minted this, you need to make sure that you have your abstract global wallet connected. And also, I'm gonna show you how to transfer your mystery box to your abstract account. I'm gonna walk you through this step by step, but we also got a couple of things that are coming up. We got a couple of updates, so this video here is packed, so stay tuned. We're gonna cover the mystery drop in a second. All right, first news today, Cryptoys and Abstract are working together now. They posted this a couple of days ago and they are now working together. You can join the Cryptoys Discord here. Not sure if there's any benefit there, but as always, all the links are down in the description. While you're down there, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of those videos here, because I think this is almost part 39, part 40 of the abstract series. So yeah, lots of updates going on and lots of other opportunities that I'm talking about. All right, that's the Cryptoys update. Then this one is important. In the Moment returns to Abstract on December 4th for its final drop. So I've covered those drops in my previous videos in the series, and you need to mint those on a daily basis on the race weekends. You can collect up to 6 more iconic moments. I think 3 are free probably. Each drop you'll have 24 hours to collect each variation over a period of 3 days and have a chance to win some truly amazing prizes. So starting in 3 days you can start to mint those. Those are free NFTs. There's also paid ones, but we've seen badges for those. So we might actually see the next badge being completing the In the Moment final drop. So basically minting each of the different days, at least the free mints. Make sure you will mint all of those because they are free, and you have some on-chain activity, and also this might be actually the next batch. Then we got a Pudgy update introducing the Pengu Clash Soulbound Token. What is Soulbound? This is basically an NFT that is not transferable, so it is bound to your soul, aka your wallet. This goes back to Vitalik Buterin from Ethereum, who got the name from World of Warcraft actually. Some trivia there. The Pengu Clash Soulbound Token will be available and distributed on Abstract Chain and is open to the general public. More info and how to claim below. Since this is a soulbound token on Abstract, this might actually be good for you to have this in terms of experience points, but also might be good for the airdrop. We don't know. Since it's free, you can actually go through this. You need to create an Abstract global wallet here. Probably if you're watching this, you already did this also. I got this complete guide here on how to get started with the Abstract portal, how to create an Abstract global wallet, how to fund it, how to send funds out of there, and so on. So if you don't know how to do this, check out this video here. And then you need to play Pengu Clash here. The Soulbound token will be distributed on Abstract to wallets that have played at least 2 staked games of Pengu Clash before January 1st, 2026. So you need to actually go here and then connect your Abstract global wallet like this. Connect Abstract, that's important. If you connect another wallet, you can't get the Soulbound token to your Abstract global wallet. You need to sign in. Always make sure to only go through the official links. That's super important. And here we go, it's loading. You need to accept the terms and conditions. We're not gonna go through the gameplay, but you need to actually have 2 games completed to get the Soulbound token. If you have any questions or if you need me to walk you through this, let me know. I don't want to do some gameplay here, so I'm gonna quit this for now, but go through here, do 2 complete games, and then you will receive the Soulbound token probably early next year. It's when they're being distributed. Now, another update, NFTs in your Abstract Global Wallet will now be accounted for in your total portfolio balance on the Abstract portal. We look at the collection offers for all NFTs in your wallet to calculate the total value. This should give a more accurate reflection of your total Abstract holdings. NFT data is powered by OpenSea. So if you're going to your wallet, then you should also see the value with your NFTs included. Now, last but not least, let's talk about the mystery boxes and how to actually get them into your Abstract Global Wallet. If you minted this, first of all, congrats. It's a mystery box. We don't know what's inside. They only wrote every digital collectible costs basically $100 to mint and can be held, traded, or redeemed for a physical mystery box containing toys, merch, new products, and or other Pudgy Penguins goods. And it was said that there might be some one-of-ones in there as well. So it's basically like a booster pack, and it was distributed through Dily IO. You can see this here. This was the mint page. You needed to create a Dily account. Connecting with only the Abstract Global Wallet did not work for most of the people. At least it did not for me. They had some trouble with this. Alex posted this here. He's the CEO of Dily, and he wrote this a couple of hours before this ended. It was only 48 hours live, so during Black Friday basically. And he posted this FAQ answers here. Once the timer ends, primary purchases close forever. We have seen 7,226 mints actually in those 48 hours. The physical redemptions, they open in March. Many have asked about using Dily's livestream plus box break feature to tokenize what's inside and trade, hold, redeem. We're aiming to make that possible and work with Pudgy team on it. And this is the important part. If you purchased with your Dily account and want the Soulbound token, again, we have a Soulbound token here, sent to your Abstract Global Wallet, just connect your Abstract Global Wallet to your account. It does not need to be the active wallet. Anyone who had issues switching between the Dily wallet to Abstract Global Wallet yesterday, this has been fully resolved. So if you tried to mint with your Abstract Global Wallet and had problems and then minted with Dily, you needed to fund your wallet there. So it was a little bit of a pain, to be honest. I did the same, and then I switched it. And now I'm gonna walk you through how to actually get this one going. As you can see here, it's on secondary on Dily, and actually now it's a bit cheaper than it was before. I will never get how people sell right after this. But yeah, so if you missed it, don't worry, you can still get it actually a bit cheaper than what it costs during the mint. You will also get the Soulbound token probably if you connect this to your Abstract Global Wallet. It's not yet distributed, so you should be good. So what you need to do is you need to go to a profile if you want to connect your Abstract Global Wallet. Yeah, thanks for the notifications. You can see here that I have one of the mystery boxes. And what I can do now is go here to settings and then edit profile. And then you can see that under wallet settings, that's advanced, you can see that my Abstract Global Wallet is actually the current active wallet. Alex wrote here that it's not necessary to have it as the active wallet, but I wanted to make sure. I also asked him in the thread. He did not answer, sadly. So I just wanted to make sure and made it my active wallet. First of all, if you did not connect your Abstract Global Wallet, click here on Connect Wallet, and then you link your Dily account with your Abstract Global Wallet. So this is step one. And if you want to make it your active wallet, then there's this button here. For me, it's not, because this is my active wallet. It would be switched to AGW. You click the button, and then you would actually need to fund your Dily account with a little bit of ETH. You could send it from your Abstract Global Wallet, for example, with the here send, and then you would choose ETH and send 0.0013. Would be enough, I think. I sent 0.0014 there to the address that is being shown here. It's actually this one here. You copy it, you send some ETH there, and then you will be able to switch to your AGW, and they are sending all your collectibles to your AGW. So this one here is shown in my Dily account, but it's actually now also in my Abstract Global Wallet. It has been sent there from Dily. And you can also trade this on, of course, Dily itself, but also on the other marketplaces, such as OpenSea. For example, you can see this here. Actually here the last sale was 0.0393 and the floor here is $103 and on Dily it's only 92. So do with that what you will, but that's how you actually transfer your mystery box to your AGW, and this is how you will definitely get the Soulbound token in your wallet, so you then get this one here as well. In this video I've shown you how to get 2 different Soulbound tokens, one for the mystery box, so this one is paid, but also for the here for the Pengu Clasher if you play 2 games here. And also make sure to remember that we have the, here it is, that we have the in the moment coming up with 3 free mints on Abstract Chain. This will probably give you experience points, but also it will give you the potential next badge that we might see around this weekend here. That all being said, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out some of my other videos, for example, on IDOS and some others. OpenSea is coming up with the airdrop. I got a couple of videos out on that, so make sure to check those out. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.